He says to me something that utterly startled me. He said, "You are practicing idolatry." And that one sentence disturbed me quite so much. I stopped in the middle of my devotion and I asked the Lord, I said, "What do you mean?" Because I was utterly confused by what the voice had said to me. And as I said, "Lord, what do you mean I'm practicing idolatry?" This is what the Lord said to me. The Lord spoke to me and he said, "You trust more in what you can make with your hands than in what I can provide for you." And it shook me.
Don't miss the full episode. Link in description or comments.